Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best ear wax removal kit is probably one of the most important tools to maintain your ear hygiene, and choosing the right one can be a game changer in ensuring comfortable and healthy ears. This video will guide you through the top-rated ear wax removal kits available on the market today, comparing their features, ease of use, safety, and overall effectiveness, helping you make an informed decision based on your specific needs and preferences. Number 5. Debrox Ear Wax Removal Kit. Are you experiencing discomfort from built-up ear wax? It's a common problem, often caused by things like headphones or earplugs. Debrox can help. It uses a gentle microfoaming action to safely soften and loosen the wax, making it easier to remove at home. Debrox makes removing ear wax simple and safe. It contains carbamide peroxide to help break down the wax. The kit includes a bottle of Debrox ear wax removal drops and a soft bulb syringe for easy flushing. It's everything you need for effective cleaning. This gentle formula is safe for adults and children over 12. Always consult a doctor for children under 12. Simply apply 5 to 10 drops in each ear and then gently flush with water using the bulb syringe. It's that easy. What we like? This kit gently loosens earwax, making it easy to remove at home. It's a safe and effective solution for adults and children over 12. If you're looking for a simple and reliable way to clear your ears, this is a great option. What people say. I used the drops in my left ear for 2 days for a few minutes at a time, and on the third day, I didn't use any drops at all and was afraid of getting an ear infection even though I didn't have any ear pain, so I left my ear alone. My ear felt squishy inside, like it was full of water. So on the fourth day, I put the drops in again and waited for about 7 minutes and flushed it again. Finally, a huge ugly chunk of ear wax came shooting out and I could finally hear again. The whole process for me took about 45 minutes. It was to the point that if I just accidentally tapped my right ear, tilted my head down or to the side, or even if I just laughed or grinned, my right ear would just get this stuffed clogged sensation. After my first usage of leaving the solution inside my ear for 30 minutes, my ears still felt clogged, but still, I went to a sink and first attempted to drain the excess without using water by simply tilting my head, per recommendation by the website. However, nothing really came out because it was extra foamy. As the result, I went ahead and just flushed it out with warm water using the rubber bulb. All you really need to do is put the tip of the bulb slightly in so the water can get inside the canal. Don't overthink the flushing out part. After about 15 minutes from when I initially flushed out the solution, the symptoms went away immediately. This stuff really does work, but you need to have a massive amount of patience. My ears were really clogged and this was the last resort before going to urgent care. The first day I had no luck, but the second day I got a little bit out, but I tried again at night but had the idea of letting it sit and lay on that side with a cotton ball under my ear and let it drain. I think I need to do it one more time and my ears will be good to go. Number 4. NAVEH PHARMA CleanEars. Say goodbye to ear wax buildup. This spray quickly and effectively dissolves ear wax, leaving your ears feeling clean and clear. It's gentle enough for daily use. It's been clinically proven to be 300% more effective than mineral oil alone. Experience the difference of a superior ear wax removal solution. No more awkward tilting. Its patented sprayer provides optimal dispersion for easy and comfortable application. Enjoy a refreshing aroma with every use. Made with natural ingredients and free of harsh chemicals and preservatives, it's gentle on even the most sensitive ears. It's a safe alternative to cotton swabs. Perfect for infants, children, and adults. Regular use helps prevent wax buildup and keeps ears healthy and clean, saving you money on doctor visits. This all-natural ear spray is composed of a unique patented complex extracted from natural olive oil and contains spearmint essential oil, known for its antiseptic properties and fresh odor. What we like? This spray dissolves earwax quickly and effectively, and it's been clinically proven to be superior to other products. It's made with natural ingredients, making it a gentle choice for sensitive ears. If you need a fast and effective solution, this is the one for you. What people say. CleanEars cleared up the wax and restored my hearing with the first application. Saved me a trip to the doctor to clean out the wax. This stuff works. Makes the ear feel great and opens it up. Easy to use and no drips. Number 3. WaxBgone Earwax Removal Kit. Are you tired of annoying earwax buildup? This kit offers a fast, gentle, and effective solution for clearing your ears at home. It boasts 4 times the water volume and pressure of other kits. This ensures superior wax removal and a more thorough cleaning. The unique soft spray tip gently flushes your ear canal with 7 soft streams of water. This protects your eardrum while effectively loosening and removing stubborn wax. Unlike other methods that use a single, forceful jet, this system's design protects sensitive eardrums. It's the safe and effective way to remove earwax. Avoid costly doctor's visits with this complete ear cleaning system. Designed by an ENT physician, it brings professional-level earwax removal to your home. This kit includes a spray bottle, ear basin, otoscope, reusable irrigation tips, and wax softening drops. Everything you need for a thorough and comfortable ear cleaning experience. What we like. This kit offers superior wax removal with its high-pressure spray and unique tip design that protects your eardrums. It comes with everything you need for a thorough cleaning. If you want a powerful yet safe at-home solution, consider this kit. What people say. It comes with extra tips and ear wax softener that works so well the ear wax is already coming out after the 15 minutes you sit there with it. On the first try using this, after sitting with their drops in for 10 minutes, it completely flushed all the compacted wax out. The ear wax softener drops worked really well. Number 2. Ear wax removal kit. This ear wash kit provides a safe and effective way to remove earwax buildup. Its unique design ensures comfortable and thorough cleaning without damaging your ear canal. Everything you need is included: a large spray bottle, a basin, multiple reusable tips, and 2 types of tubes for convenient use. It's designed to be mess-free and easy to use. It comes with both a rigid pipe for self-use and a flexible tube for helping family members. The tips are easy to replace and won't fall off easily. This kit is suitable for adults and children under supervision. Simply use warm water mixed with hydrogen peroxide or olive oil to soften and remove earwax. We stand behind our product with a 12-month warranty. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact us, and we'll be happy to help. What we like. This kit is designed for ease of use, with a large bottle, basin, and reusable tips. It's a cost-effective and convenient way to clean your ears at home. If you prioritize convenience and value, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Perfect for the reason purchased: easy to use, quality construction, and not messy. The tri-tip syringe earpiece is great for squirting water to the outsides of the ear canal. The drip tray is nice. Gentle. And that is what you want. You don't want a power washer or long pointy tips. All those will put your eardrum in danger. Instead, take your time and use this gentle squeeze bottle and these nice tips that only go into the first part of your ear. Number 1. HaYiue Ear Wax Removal Kit. It features a 360 degrees wide-angle lens and 6 LED lights for a bright, clear view of your ear canal, ensuring thorough and safe earwax removal. The 1296p HD resolution captures realistic images and stunning videos. The ultra-thin lens easily and comfortably reaches even the deepest parts of the ear canal, suitable for all ages and even pets. A non-heating chip maintains a safe temperature for comfortable cleaning. It's IP67 waterproof for easy cleaning and has a long-lasting rechargeable battery. A single charge provides up to 30 days of use. It's compatible with most smartphones and tablets. Simply download the app, connect to its Wi-Fi, and you're ready to use it in under a minute. It's also useful for inspecting your nose, mouth, and throat. The included silicone ear spoons are designed with rounded corners to prevent scratching. The kit also includes 6 additional earwax removal tools. Our support team is always ready to assist you. What we like. This kit allows you to visualize the cleaning process with its high-definition camera and slim lens. It's also waterproof and rechargeable for easy maintenance. If you want a high-tech and thorough cleaning experience, this is the perfect option. What people say. I had no trouble connecting to Wi-Fi at another location. I found out you have to click on the listing in the Wi-Fi connection to activate it. After that, it was easy to see very clearly inside my ear and to take pictures and videos at a touch. I suspected I had a wax blockage affecting my hearing and you could see it clearly. I think they must have changed the tips because the ones I received are blue and fit tightly to the end. I had no fear that they would fall off in my ear. Good, clear picture and responds very quickly in the app. Takes a little bit of getting used to but very easy to use. I was amazed at the quality of the camera and LED light on this device. I have an endoscopy scope that I use for looking inside walls. It has an okay video but not spectacular like this device, and it gets hot fast. This device connects easily and is easy to use and does not get hot. I like that I can record or take snapshots. The scoop, while small, is quite effective at bringing out debris from the ear. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.